Hey guys, it's Brian back at you again here with Hostirian. Today's topic is going to be about when to post on social media. Now, that's absolutely a loaded question, so I want to give you a little bit of feedback first. When you're posting on social media, obviously you want to be there when your users and when your customers, potential customers, are there. So, if you are a fisherman, you obviously don't want to fish when the fish aren't biting. You know that there are things that make the fish bite. There are areas that they like, so you go to that area in time frames during the day, right? All of those things also apply when it comes to your social media posting for your business. So, rule number one, or tip number one, is that you need to know your business. Knowing your business means that you know who your ideal client is. So you know which social media platform that they are on, you know what they're doing, their interests are, you know the things that they're looking for, you know the things they don't like, you know which social media platform you should be on in the first place, right? Obviously, there's a ton of different social media platforms. And I also want to let you know that each one has a different demographic of when people are using it. Okay, so just knowing more and learning more about your business and about your clientele is absolutely clutch. And also, COVID has changed everything. This day and age, with the COVID pandemic going on right now, people are online more than ever. So it's even more important that you can find your audience, your target, during that time frame. So that being said, we're going to go a little bit deeper to when we should post. Keep in mind that Facebook, TikTok, social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, each one has a different time frame. And if I talked about all of them, I would literally be here all day, and I have a family. I gotta go to my family too. So today we're just gonna focus on Facebook, okay? So the first thing is, when should you post? What day of the week should I say? For best practices, you want to make sure that you're posting daily. And now, what I mean daily, you can take that two different ways. You can mean every day of the week, Monday through Friday, or Monday through Sunday, or you can just do business hours, Monday through Friday. Either one of those two will absolutely be a great way to make sure that you're capturing your attention of your audience. Now, what it's also going to do is keep you relevant and keep you active. That's also something that's going to help you with your SEO. It's going to help drive traffic because people are going to see your post in their feed. Okay, so you definitely want that. Now, that's for best practices. Now, if that is way too much, the standard way to go about it is to post at least 3 times a week. Now, if you're going to go with the standard approach, the best way to do the standard approach would be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're going to do the standard approach 3 times a week. All right. Now, obviously, you may need to adjust this for your market, for your clientele, but you can absolutely start right here and still get some traction. Okay. Now, what time should you post when you make these posts? All right. Now, there's 2 different time frames that work really well. The first time frame is going to be in the morning between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. That's a time frame where people are already logged into work. They've got a little bit of their workflow going. They move their mouse so people know that they're working. Okay, and they're going to take a little break, right? Your first 10, 15 minute break comes in. So it's a great time to catch people online. The second time frame will be between 1 and 3 o'clock, sometimes 4, really. That time frame, you're still catching people that are getting out of lunch, or they could be on lunch, or they're in the middle or getting ready to take their next or their last break before they clock out for the day. All right. So those are the 2 time frames for you to post on your social media. Obviously, guys, I cannot stress enough that you have to know your business to know if this will work for you, because everyone's clientele is different. But this is a good way just to get your feet in the game, get your feet wet. Okay. So with that being said, my gift for you guys today is a social media marketing tool. It's really hard to do this on your own, or if you must, go for it, try it. Or if you want some help, you can hire someone available to do that. Wink, wink. But if you want to try this out, go ahead and take advantage of the tool I have. It's a 30-day trial. You can schedule out the entire month right? You can schedule out more than 1 month if you really want to. I mean, that's another way to knock it out so you don't have to really worry about it, because this can easily take up the job of one person. But click the link. Click the link, make sure you get on my calendar. I'll set you up with the tool and I'll teach you how to use it, and then make sure that you're following these best practices, okay? Till next time, guys, I will see you soon. Have a good day. Whoop, whoop.